Sustaining care over months and years requires some structure around your energy. Without that, even the best intentions will eventually burn out. Think of this as designing a weekly rhythm that gives you just enough space to breathe, check in, and course correct. A weekly rhythm that respects your reality. You don't need a color-coded planner. A very simple rhythm can simply make a noticeable difference. Here's an early week pause. About 10 minutes at the start of your week, Monday morning or Sunday evening, or whenever your week naturally begins. Take a brief pause and ask, what absolutely has to happen this week? Appointments, key calls, essential tasks. What could slide if it needed to? Then write down 3 priorities, not 30. 3. Midweek check-in. About 5 minutes. Midweek, take a breath and review. How am I going? Is there anything I can simplify or ask for help with before I hit the wall? This might be the moment you decide that takeaway is okay tonight, or that you'll ask a friend or sibling to handle one school pickup or errand. An end of week repair. It's about 15 minutes. Towards the end of the week, maybe Sunday night or another quieter pocket, give yourself a small repair ritual. One tiny act of self-care, a bath, a walk, a cup of tea without your phone. One note of gratitude or relief. I'm glad we got through that test, or I'm proud I spoke up there. 2 micro tasks to prepare for the coming week, like laying out medication organizers or jotting down your top questions for the next appointment. These small anchors create a sense of rhythm and predictability, not just for your loved one, but for your own nervous system too. Boundaries that feel kind and realistic. Alongside rhythm, you need language that lets you protect your edges without feeling like you're attacking anyone. Rather than long explanations, you can aim for short, kind limits. For example, I can manage this part today, but I can't also do that. Can we find another way to handle it? I have capacity for 2 appointments this week. If we add more, we'll need some extra support. You'll have your own ways of saying this in your own family culture. The key pieces are naming what you can do, naming what you cannot safely do, and inviting problem solving, not blame. And then protect your small rituals that refill you, whatever that looks like for you. A 10-minute walk around the block, a cup of tea in the garden, a quick voice note to a friend who really gets it. 2 slow breaths in the driveway before you go back inside. These are not luxuries. These are maintenance. From J&B Inspired's perspective, your well-being isn't extra. It's central to the kind of compassionate resilience, trauma-informed caregiving we stand for. You do not have to overhaul your life overnight. If all you do this week is to add 1 tiny pause to your week and say one honest sentence about your capacity, you are already changing the pattern.